Hi everyone, good morning. Maganda everyday na i-practice natin sa life natin yung habit na today or yung little exercise na to, na today something good happened to me. So every time that you said that to yourself, every day pinapractice mo siya at ginagawa mong habit yon, you set yourself into something good or better. You postulate things that is going something better to your life ahead. At maganda pala sinaset natin sa mind natin na yung positive kahit hindi mo pa nakikita. Kasi, importante yung mind natin. Napapagod niya. Kung ano yung input mo sa mind mo, yun yung re-reflect sa buhay mo. Yun yung mayayari sa buhay mo. That's why it's better to do a little exercise na today, something good will happen to me. Na sasabihin mo yun sa sarili mo, today something good happened to me. And you will notice there is something good happening to your life because you caused it, you postulate it, you put it on the future what you want to happen. And before you sleep, maganda rin na may exercise ka na. Tomorrow, something good will happen to me. So it's better to expect good things happen to you. Because when you feel good and we postulate what we want, we utter what we want, it will manifest to the universe. What you put into your mind is very important. That's why let's practice these simple exercises every morning paggising mo and before you sleep. Try mo lang, wala naman mawawala eh. Pero napaka-importante kung ano nilalagay mo sa utak mo, kung ano yung sinasabi mo sa utak mo, kung ano yung practice mo sa mind mo, kasi that will gonna happen to your life. Hope this new year, let us practice this simple thing. Simple lang, pero create a big impact sa buhay mo. Subukan mo. Try mo lang. Tingnan mo kung anong pwede mangyari. Kung nakakapag-isip ka ng mga negative things sa buhay mo, bakit di mo i-divert? Bakit hindi mo gawing maging positive ka? Na ma-appreciate mo yung mga bagay-bagay, magpasalamat ka sa mga bagay-bagay na meron ka. Instead of cursing yourself, murahin mo yung sarili mo or mag-isip ka ng negative na lagi ka na lang palpak, lagi na lang malas. Tanggalin mo na yun. This new year, divert mo sa mas maganda na practices, exercise sa buhay mo. Hope it will help. Thank you everyone and God bless.